What is good, everyone? Traded by E-Man, back with another video. In this video, I'm just gonna go over my trades last week, what I did decent, what I did wrong, and yeah, let's get started. Before we get started, I just want to thank you for getting me almost to 50 subscribers. I'm 1 subscriber away, so if you like my content, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and let's see if we could get this video to maybe 5 likes, just like last week. And yeah, let's get into it. So this week, the rookie mistakes continue. I wasn't profitable this week, but I know why. And it was kind of the same mistakes that I made last week, but this week was kind of me being more done, because the main problems that I made this week were for the first trade. We could go to the first trade and see what happened. I'll give you 5 seconds to see what I did wrong. For the first trade, I got in way too early because I thought we were going to, I drew this fib retracement out, and it did not play out at all, and I got in way too early. So price ended up coming back down into the zone, consolidating in the zone, and then I got out of this trade early. But when I got back in, because I thought we were going to continue, after I saw the break, retest, and continuation, it just kept going down. And that's partly my fault, because I'm trading a pair that moves in New York session in Asian session on a Sunday, meaning that there's no volume whatsoever. So there was no reason for me to have taken any trades on Sunday to Monday, that gap, because look, it was just consolidating and there's no clear direction of what price did. So yeah, I did end up punishing myself for this, because it was in my rules that I had to wait to an area of support or resistance to take a trade. And this trade was, I was just in no man's land when I took this trade, because my thought process was we were going to keep pushing up, because I saw this wick and then this bullish this bullish candle right here. I thought we were going to continue up because we made a higher low. But then after this candle came, I should have clicked to me saying that we failed to break to this high, that we should continue going down. But it's fine, because hopefully next week I don't make the same mistake. So yeah, that was the first trade. Because I got out early on this one, I got in this trade, which was, I could have just gotten buys here and then targeted this last major area that someone would either buy or sell at. But it's okay, next week we move. So the second trade I took was on USD JPY, and this trade, this trade was, the entry for this trade, I would say was good. I had the right idea, but there was only one thing that was in my way. Let's see if you can guess it down below in the comments. I'll give you another 5 seconds. Here's a hint. Yes, if you guessed we had a resistance, we're absolutely correct. I marked this resistance out and I took the trade, and it bounced along the resistance and came back down. So the trade from the resistance back down to the support would have been a way better trade. But it's okay, because I had to punish myself for this as well. I still feel the cold water going through my body, but it's okay. It's just telling me that just don't do it again. Because this is like a setup that I'm sure everyone, beginner, advanced, any level, could take this trade. Coming from this resistance right here, after seeing not 1, 2, 3, not even 4, 5 bounces off this key area all the way down, and it was a smooth downtrend too, so you wouldn't have to worry about being in drawdown. But one thing I will say about this trade was I did have an alert like right here. Let me see if I can pull it up. No, I did have an alert. What day was this? Yeah, I did have an alert. What level is this? Yeah, as you can see it right here, I'm pretty sure it was either this one. Yeah, it was probably this one. I had an alert just in case price didn't break above this area, but it didn't alert me at all. I was a wick too short, but it's fine. I ended up getting out early out of this trade, so it wasn't too bad. So that was the second trade of the week. And then my third trade was right here. This trade, I'd say I did decent on because I just caught the scraps of this bearish move right here. But the difference between all my other trades and this one was that there was actually volume. So price was actually moving during this Asian session, which that's kind of ironic to me because the Asian sessions I didn't trade, price actually moved and didn't consolidate. But it's okay because we just keep going. Just always remember that it's okay to lose. It's a part of the game. Just try to keep your losses to a minimum, and when you stick to your plan, you'll only see yourself getting better. And I was also kind of annoyed because all I had to do was wait for price to come to this support right here, marked by one tweezer, another tweezer, these two tweezers, and then have my stop loss below this support right here. And then I could have targeted the same area. I could have even gone higher and I would have made profit because it was, I believe, CPI. CPI was good for the US dollar, which I could show you. Yeah, CPI, as you can see here, was good for the US dollar. So it didn't even have to wick. It was just one big one bullish engulfing candle. So I was kind of bummed about that because I was right. I just got in at the wrong time. And that's what I'm going to try and do next week. Try and focus on the A setups, not the small setups. Because I could have gotten this setup right here. Because price just kept consolidating around this area. But then it was not breaking below this support right here. It was just kind of consolidating around it. And then all it took was one candle. And that was it. It broke to the 52,500 level, like I mentioned in my forecasting video, which is my last video. And I was kind of bummed about that because my idea played out. I just got in at the wrong time, but we move. I can say the same for CAD as well, because although I made these stupid entries trading with no volume in the market, I'll show you that right now. Because the DXY is what I base all my trades off of. As you can see right here, just look at how small these candles are, and I traded in that. Like, I don't even know what to say to myself right now, but it's all good. Because wow, yeah, it was just consolidation after consolidation. The candles, no movement during Asian session. Because normally I do see a lot of movement during Asian session. That's why I put my time there. But even here, as you can see, barely any movement. In the London session, where normally my price would move either in my favor or against me, it didn't. Like you can see here, the time below, 1 a.m. didn't. It just kept consolidating. But the times I didn't trade it, it just kept going smoothly to the 27 extension. That was also kind of annoying because I did kind of call that as well on CAD. I said that we would either push down into the area of support and then go all the way up to the 1.37500 level, and we absolutely smashed that target. And I called the trade, but I missed out. But it's okay because it's all learning experience. And yeah, just had to pray, just have faith that it only gets better. And that, I also called it on UJ as well. We broke, if I go on the daily, it'll be similar to, yeah, exactly. It'll be similar to the video I made. If you haven't watched that video, go check that video. I'll put it in the comments down below, my forecast for the week, so you can see what I was looking for the last week. And you could see how I did. And maybe if it could help you, like, in the future. Because we talked about resistances, consolidations, and support levels, and yeah, all of the above. Yeah, so this was one of my predictions. It would break above, which it did. There was no wick, just broke above, retested the support level that I created right here. Sorry if it's so hard to see. But yeah, but this green line right here. And then news just absolutely shot it up to 152,500 level. And I didn't even get in that trade. But it's all good. We move. And yeah, those are all my trades for the week. I'll show you on Forex. Top tier. Like as you can see, the trades I did for the week. Let me see if I can full screen. Yeah, so we had stupid losses by me. I was able to end the week off with a win. Nothing too much, but it's better than all the losses that I had. And yeah, thank you for watching my weekly recap. Let's see if we could get past 50 subscribers this week. And I appreciate all the love being shown on the YouTube Shorts content, because I'm trying to make at least two of those every single day. And just trying to keep the consistency with that. And yeah, let's see if you get 5 likes on this video. And as always, slow motion is better than no motion. Take care.